Never eat these foods before bed or else you won't know how you will die. 1. Coffee. This one should be obvious, but let's be real. Some people still sip coffee late at night like it won't come back to haunt them. Caffeine blocks the chemicals that make you feel sleepy. So instead of winding down, your brain will be wide awake, making plans you'll be too exhausted to follow through on the next day. 2. Ice cream. Sure, a bowl of ice cream feels like the perfect comfort food before bed, until your blood sugar spikes and your digestive system decides to throw a tantrum. The sugar rush keeps you wired, while the dairy can cause bloating and discomfort. 3. Cheeseburger. That juicy, greasy cheeseburger might hit the spot, but it's also a sleep destroyer. The combination of fat, processed carbs, and heavy proteins takes hours to digest, keeping your body busy when it should be resting. Instead of slipping into deep sleep, you'll spend the night rolling around like a burger on a grill. 4. Dark chocolate. A little chocolate before bed sounds harmless, right? Wrong. Dark chocolate is packed with caffeine and theobromine, both of which stimulate your nervous system and keep your brain buzzing. You might think you're winding down, but your body is gearing up for an all-night staring contest with the ceiling.